my YouTube channel Shloka Tech. In today's video, we are going to continue our series of web development tutorial. This is going to be the 8th video of our web development tutorial, and also I wish you all of you a very happy new year. So first, let's make a new file in our code editor to its 6.html. Inside title I have added this, and today we will be learning about div, center, em tag, strong tag, b tag and u tag. So let's start with the div tag. So make sure you start the live server here. Okay, so now div tags are for div tags are used. Let's say I have many h1s and you want to, right now I am not started css, but you want to add them all. You want to do something, you want to, let's say, give some styling to all of them same. So that time div is also very useful, and it works like a container for us which has all of them. So if I, let's say, make simply a h1 saying h1 tag, it is saying like this. But if I add a div and do this, it is still the same. There will be no difference. So this was the div tag, which is, and more div is useful when we do css. Then we have the center tag. Now the next tags, these tags which I am going to teach you, center, em, strong, b and u, they are the tags which are useful. Let's say bold, the text, italic, underline, and these are the things you should do with css. But I should tell you these tags, that's why I am telling. But most probably you will use css for that. So let's say I have a h1 saying not center. Now this is saying not center here, but if I want to bring it in the center, then most probably you will use css. But if you will not, then you can use the center tag and add it here. Now you can see it is in center. Now you can add anything there you want. You can even add a form and all, and you can do it. After the center tag, we get the em tag. Em tag, let me show you. Em, and if I type I am the em tag, you can see the text is in italic form. Let me also show you the normal text here. So you can see this is in italic form, it is tilted rightwards, and this is in normal form. So I hope you are able to see that. By the way, the br tag, let me tell you that also. The br tag is used for adding line breaks. So let's say I have two h1s saying hello world. So they are like this, but you add a lot of gap here, saying that it would go down, but still it is there. So in HTML, the extra spaces are not counted, but to add extra space, you have to use the br tag. So now I get the space. If I add many brs, then many space. So the br tag also is very useful at times. Then after that, we get the strong tag. Strong tag is used for bolding the text. So let's say normal text. This is a normal text. I use a br. Then I say a strong tag saying bolded text. So now you can see this is bold and this is normal. After that, we have the b tag. Now b tag is similar to strong tag, which is used for bolding the text. So So this is a normal text, and let me use V tag here. Now also it is bolded. After that you get the U tag. U tag is used for underlining the text. So after, if I add a normal text here and hi, so you can see this is underlined. So I hope this tutorial was helpful to you to learn about many div center, M strong, B, U and BR tag. And let me also tell you one more tag which is not the tag you will use very much. This is the HR tag. HR tag is used for adding a line like this. So let's say I have a center tag and inside H1 I am saying contact us, and after this I have a form. I am not adding a form, let's say just let me say form. After that I want this line break, so this is horizontal line, so that's why I am adding the HR tag. And you can also do something like this. So I am having a space also here. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and if this video was helpful to you, then make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel and watch all the videos of this playlist. Thanks for watching.